You may think your living area is less prone to clutter than the kitchen because it's a place to relax. You're right. However, it's the first room visitors see. In the room, they hang out with you. You can't stack books and trinkets on the coffee table carelessly and then make the conversation randomly feel awkward. You need storage solutions like shelving to keep your clutter under control. Multifunctional or vertical. In the following countdown, you'll find home storage and display ideas that dazzle guests and prospects. Here are 12 storage solutions for your living room, including shelving options. As always, SimpHome curates and presents you with the list and the video. Number 12. Be flexible with pegboards. The versatility of pegboards allows you to use them in any room in your house, including your living room. Besides, they're a type of storage that pack a lot of possibility and flexibility. You only need to hang 1 or 2 pegboards in the living room. Then, add as many shelves as you want with wooden dowels and boards. Finally, display your books, plants, and photos on the shelves. Make sure all of your stacked wood is upright. Drilling through the rear can ruin the veneer, which is never cute. Avoid destroying your drill bit by drilling into the ground by elevating your wood with scrap wood or an extra sheet of plywood. Use a sheet of plywood when you need to see through both sides. There will be much less of a punch when you use this. Number 11. Make them float. Installing shelves toward the ceiling and corners can help you organize and maximize your living space potential. Frame the long, deep shelves with 1x2s and 1x3s. Once you install the frame, add plywood. The underside and front may also need some plywood. Nail 2 1x1s to the studs to build corner shelves. Align wooden boards with the walls, then nail them to the support. Attach the face. To hide shelves, paint them the same color as the wall. Number 10. A DIY leather strap shelf idea. Are you looking for an easy-to-make yet stylish shelf? This one is for you. This shelf is straightforward, but it can draw attention instantly due to its stylish look, which is ideal for a Scandinavian living room. To make this shelf, you need to screw 2 hooks into your wall. Next, grab 2 50-inch strap leather and punch a hole at each end. Then slide the straps over the hooks. After that, slide a wooden board through the straps, and that's it. It's easy, right? Number 9. An industrial wooden slice shelving idea. Do you want a more country feel in your living room? Check out the following unique shelving project. Start with a 14-inch unfinished wood slice and 4-inch L brackets. Cut the wood in half lengthwise. Screw L brackets to each component's underside. After that, mount the shelves. Number 8. An industrial pipe shelving idea. The industrial style exudes rough confidence. This industrial floating shelf is an excellent starting place if you'd like to adopt this style. First, you'll need black galvanized pipes and fittings to create these shelves. Attach them to the wall to support the board. If needed, cut 1x12 boards after the pipes are ready. Sand and stain them for an industrial effect. Clamp the board to the galvanized pipe support. Number 7. A built-in shelving idea from IKEA Billy. This approach can help you build living room storage without damaging the wall. First, build the shelf base. To find the ideal spacing between walls, you must do some math. For example, the author subtracted the bookcase's 31-inch widths, leaving 124 inches. She needed to trim 20 inches. She required 5 5-inch boards for the ends and between shelves. Later, caulk any gaps after the molding is up. To achieve a coherent look, paint the molding the same color as the bookcases and walls. Number 6. The DIY Birch Shelves. You'll only need 4 wooden boards and 4 12-inch pieces of birch to copy this idea. Then attach the 2 birches on each end of one board. Next, attach another board on the other end of the birch. Finally, screw the shelves to the wall and you're ready to display your treasure. Birch shelves are difficult to attach and one screw won't secure the wood and the shelf. Also, the log will turn. However, adding wood glue and letting it dry helped attach the pieces and fill in uneven wood gaps. Still relevant to our humble woodworking project, we offer you inspiring 12 wooden projects for the kitchen to level up your house value. The countdown comes with various projects for all levels of woodworking skills. The resource will expand your recycling perspectives and simultaneously lift the appeal of your cooking space or enrich your dining experience, if your kitchen works the same as a breakfast, brunch, or dinner bar. Number 5. Repurpose wooden crates. Wooden crates are another flexible item you may use for living room storage. Like pegboards, wooden crates offer endless creativity. Trying out these materials is a must. A craft store sells wooden boxes like this one. You can find used ones for cheap or free at grocery stores, hardware stores, and liquor stores. Once you have wooden containers, sand them to eliminate any splinters. You can stain or paint it when necessary. Finally, pile or assemble them as the author did with the idea. Number 4. A pretty shelving idea to display your artwork. First, you need boards, screws, and a miter saw to create 90-degree cuts. Using 1x12 pieces, make the central box for these shelves. You'll also need a 1x3 as a cleat. For the outside compartments, use 1x6s. Slice it up and construct it with the center box. Align the boxes on a flat surface. Mark pilot holes on the 8x2 outer box screws. Insert a screw into each hole in the central box and push the tips into the outside boxes. Drill 1/8 inch holes 1 inch deep in the board ends. Drill holes straight. After drilling holes, secure exterior boxes with 8x2 inch screws. Number 3. A circular wooden shelf. A shelf does not have to be rectangular, it can be circular too. You need to get 23-inch quilting hoops from a craft or home improvement store. Since you can't link the outside hoop's wood, you have to utilize the inside of the hoop. You need to line 3 pieces of hoops. Connecting 3 quilting hoops to form a shelf proved tricky. Use wood glue since it sands readily. Glue each hoop layer before stacking. Use toothpicks and micro clamps to position hoops and bar clamps to push glue. Number 2. A wood panel idea with floating shelves. Cut 6 filler strips from a 3/4 inch plywood. An edge guide ensures straight, smooth cuts. Later, cut and adhere these strips to the back panel, using a 1/2 inch thick board. While the finished product gives the impression of being crafted from a single piece of solid wood, walnut in our case, it is in fact manufactured entirely of plywood with iron-on edging to conceal the plywood's raw edges. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have SimpHome Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1, a console table idea with shelves. The couch's back may be an eyesore in an open floor layout. A console table with built-in shelves like this hides the unsightly views while improving your organization. Alternatively, you can consider hiring someone to build you this unique coffee table from Studio EOEO. Studio EOEO is responsible for a fantastic new product in this category. The studio came up with the idea of a coffee table that doubles as a bookcase, including space to organize and keep notebooks, smartphones, magazines, binders, and photo albums. It's versatile enough to use at almost any time of day or gloom, from coffee in the morning to a traditional ginger ale in the event of unhealthy stomach metabolism. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon!